Kung gusto mo ng sports car and at the same time gusto mo ng pan-daily, ito ang perfect car mo. I got you ulit.
No broke boys, no new friends. I'm not rich, give me my test. Ain't no lie, ain't no shade.
So this is the 2018 Subaru BRZ Charge Speed Cookie automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, carbon side skirt, at 18 inches RE30 wheels wrapped with Jampiro SX2 semi-slick yan. At sa harap, LED day running light, projector headlight, fog lamps, naka-carbon chin at 2 ang ending. At pagdating sa engine, it's a 2.0 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder boxer engine. Ito yung iconic na FA20 engine ng BRZ at 86. Pagdating sa fuel consumption, matipid naman siya. At pagdating naman sa maintenance, basic lang. At naka-K-Sport coilover na rin to, UAL na headers, naka-KNN filter, at tuned na rin to by Speedworks. Sa pinakalikod, naka-carbon rear spot, LED taillight, Drambini wing, at naka-Nvidia twin tip exhaust. At check nyo to guys, yung spare tire niya, hindi pa nagagamit. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, BRZ factory bucket seat, leather up the steering wheel, may mga controls dito, may paddle shifter, analog and digital display with 18,000 kilometers on the clock only, may red stitch sa dashboard, infotainment system, digital climate control, push start button, automatic transmission, sports mode, 2 cup holders, at sa pinakalikod, hindi ako kasya doon. Kaya ako nagbabalak ang mag-sports car na pwedeng i-daily, matipid sa gas, and at the same time, malakas pa rin ang datingan mo. Ito ang perfect car mo. For only 1,895,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Kaya tumawag ka na, reserve mo na tong bad boy na to. Peace out!